Hey everyone! My outfit is a little bit different today, and you can probably guess what the theme is. I was going through some of my old school projects and I found one that I really loved, and it was one of my first big projects. It was the computer aided fashion design course, and it was the first time I had ever designed anything in Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to show you what my first sketches look like in this class, and then the final project, which is the one that I am really pleased and hope that you enjoy seeing. It is a Sailor Moon, if you haven't guessed already. It is a Sailor Moon project. I'm going to show you the treacherous beginning of that class, how much work they needed, and then obviously you're going to see how much I developed in the span of 12 weeks, which is 1/4 of this class. So I'm really excited. I hope that you like it. This is something different for this channel. So please feel free to comment below and let me know what your thoughts are. And if you want to see anything else in particular. Again, I just was looking through some of my old projects, and this one really stood out to me. I just remember how much time and attention I gave to it. So I hope you like it. Okay, you guys, as I previously mentioned, I am going to show you one of the first assignments that I had for this class. It's actually the second assignment ever. Briefly go over it with you. I guess the main message that I hope you take away from this is that everyone has to start somewhere. So if you're thinking about embarking upon a new endeavor, especially with COVID, a lot of people are considering things that they've always wanted to do because we all have a lot more time than I think we thought we would at this point in our lives. I hope that you are inspired to take it upon yourself to do whatever it is that your heart desires. And as long as you persevere and you keep going, you will see results. Of course, sometimes they don't always happen right away, but if you really want something, you can achieve it. It just takes some work sometimes. So let's get into this. Right here, we see the croquis, this little form body figure. This is where we build the clothing from. And you are sketching or rendering something on the computer, you need a form to base it off of because you need a body shape, right? This is clothing. So that is the croquis. Moving on, again, this is one of the first assignments. I'm looking at it now and I really want to laugh because it's super rough compared to what I can do now and what I do now. But I hope that you enjoy it. Again, everyone has to start somewhere. There's no shame in that game at all. But yeah, it's very interesting to see where it all started. So we've got a turtleneck here, oversized. We've got a cutout long sleeve shirt, a sort of t-shirt vest. They're really cute. This is Usagi's closet. However, it's pretty much the core Sailor Scout group. It's their closet. But I just thought Usagi's closet had a cuter ring to it. I think it's just because we all just love Sailor Moon. I mean, I love all the Sailor Scouts very equally, but Usagi's just hilarious, and I just thought it had a good ring to it, so I hope you like it. This would be a cross between Usagi and Sailor Venus's outfit. We have a dress here, a undergarment shapewear with the slip skirt. I just kind of wanted to take it back a little bit. I feel like Sailor Moon has very romantic dressing, super kawaii. So yeah, I wanted to give them a little bit of extra romantic layers with buttons and ribbons. What did you think? Do you think Serena or Usagi would wear this? What about Sailor Venus? Let me know in the comments below. We have here Sailor Mercury's little wardrobe. I think the colors are very telling of Amy or Sailor Mercury. So we've got a relaxed kind of flutter sleeve asymmetrical hem dress. I kind of wanted to bring in that asymmetrical hem from Usagi's wardrobe into Amy's. I wanted there to be a cohesiveness throughout every section, and I again hope that you see that. There's also a cute scarf slip dress and an oversized puff sleeve bustier mini dress. and I just thought they were very fun. Again, a lot of romantic details and sort of fashion forward. I feel like Sailor Moon is Japanese anime, and the Japanese fashion as a whole is just light years ahead of anything I've personally seen, and I find them to be very, very inspiring. And yeah, I just love Japanese culture and Japanese fashion and J-pop and literally everything Japanese. Just give it to me because it's amazing. Next up is Sailor Mars, aka Ray's wardrobe, and I really love hers because it's very sophisticated and very mature, but still with like a little bit of a feminine pop with the colors. And obviously the shirt has the very lovely bow detailing. So of course we have a classic boat neck shirt with bow detailing, classic pencil skirt, and a classic double-breasted trench vest. However, this one has an asymmetrical collar because I, again, wanted to bring cohesiveness and the asymmetry of Usagi's and Sailor Mercury's clothing. I wanted to bring that in with Sailor Mars, even though you kind of don't really see in her character asymmetry. I wanted to play on her sophistication because she does seem to be a little bit more mature than the rest of the Sailor Scouts as an individual. And last but not least, we have Sailor Jupiter's, aka Lita's, little wardrobe here. So I remember this because I was kind of playing with the white and kind of taupey nude color of Sailor Jupiter's like regular school uniform, and in comparison to her green and white sailor uniform or Guardian uniform. But I ended up going with a color palette that I thought would like kind of bring cohesiveness with the pink with the other girls, and then still have her stand out with her pretty Guardian Sailor Jupiter green and white aesthetic. Now looking at it, I think I would have taken the pink out and I would have done the cowl neck top as the white and then the asymmetrical bralette blouse as her like taupey nude color and keep the pants green. I think I would do that instead now, but I think it still looks pretty cute. What do you guys think? So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. She is the one named Sailor V.